What's the meaning of chauvinistically? Chauvinistically. Chauvinistically.
Chauvinistically. Chauvinistically. The word chauvinistically is an adverb that describes behavior which is excessively patriotic or aggressively biased towards one's own group, often to the detriment of others. It is derived from the term chauvinism, which originated from the French soldier Nicolas Chauvin, who was renowned for his extreme patriotism and unquestioning loyalty to Napoleon Bonaparte. The result of chauvinistic behavior can lead to discrimination or prejudice towards individuals or groups who are perceived as being different, resulting in a lack of empathy and understanding towards their needs and experiences.